Your Honor, just in brief response to the comments that have been made. Again, it's unfortunate that Mr. Nyamodi is not aware that indeed the court has repeatedly given orders for compliance. And it is because of the repeated failure to comply that these proceedings are taking place today. So today is not a day for the court to yet again just give repeated orders and then receive all manner of explanations in future. The reason the court has summoned the head of the National Police Service is to bring what I will call the cat and mouse game to an end. And so before the Inspector General of Police is released from the witness stand, it is important that the court assures itself that he commits as the constitutional office charged with command of the National Police Service to comply, and he gives an undertaking so that when the court resumes next time, if there is no compliance, the court can exercise the sanctions that are within its power. In fact, it will save judicial time because the officers are in court for them to have the necessary consultations so that the Inspector General of Police can indicate to the court with the ultimate authority. He has not come here as a spectator. He has come here as the general commanding, I'm using analogical language, the general commanding his forces to bear command responsibility. So we ask that the court give him the time, reasonable time, which in our view is 30 minutes, so that he can then commit to the court that he will comply and comply speedily by providing security. That's all.
Mr. IGP, there was a question that Senior Counsel Mother Karua had asked. You may ask that question.
Are you aware that in September of last year, there was an application in this very matter to join you as an interested party in contempt proceedings?
My Lord, I'm not aware of that.
So if you were represented by the Attorney General, they would have done so without your knowledge?
My Lord, as I've said there earlier, the service is distributed throughout the Republic of Kenya. And my Lord, there are many matters that are going on, even now, throughout the Republic. Some of them, and the majority of them, are operational in nature, happening throughout. I might not be able to get all operational matters. And probably that is the reason why, because I got to know this matter yesterday, that is not probably the reason why I'm not even aware that in September last year, there was that order. But we have a very strong legal team that handles most of the times matters that are legal in nature, as I mentioned, my Lord.
When a letter comes to your office, to the office of the Inspector General, addressed for your attention, specifically to the attention of Douglas Kaja. Are such matters brought to your desk, or they also just go to the legal team?
Lord, again, I object. Why are we here? We are here in respect of an order of the court, and we are now interrogating the Inspector General as to what happens to correspondence that come to his office. I object to that line.
I haven't had such an objection, but surprises never cease. It is arising from his answer about whether he had knowledge of an application that relates to him. That is why I'm asking. He has given us the impression that there is a legal office that answers everything. And the question is whether they answer to everything, even when it is addressed to you, even when it is a court summons relating to the Inspector General, without making you aware. It's important, my lord, that we
I
know
overrule the objection. Go ahead.
whether he was aware yesterday or he was aware earlier.
IGP, please answer that question.
I was aware yesterday. This matter was brought to me yesterday.
So did you ever get a letter addressed to you in January of this year by Kajama's office?
My lord, I've said that I got this matter, the matter in question, yesterday. I know there could have been a lot of correspondences along the line, and that's why I'm saying that we have departments dealing with the failures issues, including the legal department dealing on matters which are legal in nature.
So even when it is stamped received by the National Police Service, addressed to Douglas Kant, it doesn't reach you.
My lord, on a day, on daily basis.
My Lord, again, can Lagat Senior Counsel ask that question without showing the Inspector General the letter she's talking about? And this is the ambush, my Lord, I had in mind. These are questions of fact, they are contestable, and they have not been put to the IGP, the Inspector General of Police previously. She's referring to a particular letter. That letter has never been brought to the IG's attention. And it now forms the basis of very rigorous cross-examination.
This particular counsel is actually just consuming the court time, for the court's time.
My Lord, I object to that kind of reference
because
from
no
a professional
letter.
colleague about another professional colleague doing his work.
My lord, I have not shown the witness any letter. I have referred. So what is the objection about? You cannot anticipate. Wait, I show him the letter, then you can go on your feet. And I have the right to show him if the court so approves. At this stage now, I wasn't going to show him, but I'm seeking to show him. If the court so, it is stamped, received on the 14th of January, 26. We have a letter here, just show the court. And it's attaching the court judgment, now that I'm invited.
Just sure. Please show the witness that letter.
My Lord, may I consult perhaps on some of these stuff?
No, the question is a simple one of knowledge. Either he is aware of that letter or he's not. Let him respond. We may not be able to...
My Lord, we haven't seen this letter before, and it is now being produced. And again, it is the ambush I complained about at the beginning. It is really not just a courtesy, but a duty that parties see documents that are being shown to witnesses. We are his legal representatives.
Okay.
Your Honor,
It doesn't form pleadings. It is a letter that is being shown, and the Inspector General is to be cross-examined on the contents of this letter.
Your Honor,
Yes?
the person who was summoned before the court is a public officer. It is not the counsel, but it is the Inspector General of Police. In the course of proceedings, he has he claimed all knowledge of this matter. And this is a letter addressed to his office attaching the judgment and seeking his compliance. It is reasonable for him to be asked about his knowledge of the letter.
Please go ahead.
My lord,
Yes.
this is my first time I'm seeing this letter here. However, as I have said there earlier, we have a full-fledged department that addresses matters legal in nature, as we have other departments addressing operational matters and so forth and so forth. So, I might not have seen this letter myself, but most likely the legal department could have seen it. That is what I know about this, my lord.
I think we'll leave the rest to submissions.
Mr. IGP, you asked about the timelines, and you indicated that you would need to, that is something that you would require to consult.
Yes.
I will give you 30 minutes for you to consult because we need to bring this matter to a closure. As you might be aware, this has consumed quite a bit of the court's time, and we need to have a closure. So I'll give you 30 minutes. We'll adjourn this particular matter for you to, so that you can come back and give the court a timeline within which compliance can be had.
Much obliged, my lord.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
probably a proposal to move the matter as
Yes.
the Honorable, as the IG is consulting. Is
Yes.
it possible for the other witnesses from the Minister of Education to take this?
No, would prefer to finish with this.
I have a different matter which I would like the witness to, which I would like to proceed with. So this matter is adjourned for 30 minutes.
Well, perhaps let me assist the court to move
Yes.
on quickly.
Yes.
The 30 minutes may not be necessary.
Yes.
If your lordship could just remain in your seat and allow the IG 2 minutes with his officers, an answer can be given. 30 minutes is not necessary.
My lord, I beg to differ. The court has given guidance. Let him have the full amount of time to consult and find out what is happening in the matter.
So Mr. Nyamodi.
2 minutes. 2 minutes and we conclude.
It now appears as if Mr. Nyamudi is the Inspector General of Police. He's even able to know that the consultation.
If you don't mind me saying it, it appears like Mr. Kanjama is the court. It's true.
This is quite unfortunate.
If we are being given permission to speak freely, that is where we will get.
The court.
We require 2 minutes to answer the question. The question is from the court, and it is to the IG.
He said he needed to consult. His counsel is now telling you he needs 2 minutes to consult and give an answer. That means everything that was happening before now and the answers of the IG are being trivialized by his own counsel.
My lord, I leave it.
Mr. Nyamodi, it was indicated that you needed to consult, that this was not a simple matter, Mr. IGP.
Yes.
Do you, is it your opinion that what you consider to be a difficult matter, consultation can take place within 2 minutes? Is that a realistic time frame for that kind of consultation?
My lord, thank you very much. I have my team here, and I have said so that we can be able to come up with an answer to that, what time
Yes.
is required.
Yes.
I need this team so that we can be able to.
Yes, and I'm giving you an opportunity, which I don't think 2 minutes would be sufficient, to consult, so that when you come back with the knowledge of the complexities of Nguru kwa Ruben, the community, whether the indication by Mr. Kanjama that the school is at the edge of the settlement or it is in the middle, as you appear to have been suggesting. Would you insist on 2 minutes, or will you take the 30 minutes that the court has offered you?
My lord,
Yes?
from my team here,
Yes.
we request for a period of 1 month so that we come back here with a concrete answer, having looked at all the issues that are affecting this matter. 1 month.
2 minutes.
We need 1 month so that we can also be able to look at the available intelligence and everything else that is required so that we can be able to plan appropriately, and we will come up with an answer to you, my lord.
Okay, so you're suggesting that when you come back next time, that is when you will come and tell the courts within what period of time there will be compliance?
Yes, because now we will have looked at all the matters that have prevented this issue from being fulfilled, and that way I can be able to offer appropriate guidance to the officers on how to proceed, my lord.
I would not want to rush you, but like I indicated at the beginning, the court has been, this matter has taken a bit of the court's time. And the court's time is a scarce commodity. I would like you to consult. I think 30 minutes is reasonable for you to consult, so that you can give the court a timeline within which the handover will take place. I don't mind even if you ask for 1 hour, but I need a specific timeline.
Okay. Thank you, my lord.
So 30 minutes or 1 hour?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Also blind.
Thank you very much. The court is adjourned in respect of this particular matter. For now, I will call the next matter.
So we have to wait for them to go. I'll call it from the cause list so you can just keep the file.
They want to add into their files.
Do you need to use this? I think I'll have to call an extension to help with the internet.
Okay. I brought my phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
It is the internet here.
yeah, of course, we usually use that. I'll just ask someone to come and help with the connection so that.
So he put it for me in the office. Are the others present?
Yeah, that's the thing I'm trying to. The next matter coming up for hearing, petition E737 of 2025, Joseph Casao, for the city office, National Land Commission, and others.
You don't need the fact.
No, I need the fact.
The Quran is there.